Hello everyone. From this video, you are going to learn about the relationships of units. First of all, you want to learn about the relationships of length. When arranging these units in order to ascending order, you can clearly obtain millimeters, centimeters, meters and kilometers. Yes, the smallest unit we are learning nowadays is the millimeters, and the biggest unit we are learning nowadays is the kilometers. Here, when considering the relationships in between these units, 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. Then 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. Tell me students, 1 kilometer equal how many meters? Yes, 1000 meters. You can clearly say that 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters, 1 meter equal 100 centimeters, 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. Then next we want to learn about the relationships between liquids. Yes, 1 liter equal, we already know that it is 1000 milliliters. Then of course we want to learn the relationships between the mass. Then when considering the ascending order, we can arrange them milligrams, grams, kilograms and metric tons. Yes, the symbols are denoted on the whiteboard. Then when considering the relationships, each and every one, here 1 gram equal 1000 milligrams. Then already we know that 1 kilogram equal how many grams? Yes, 1000 grams. Then of course 1 metric ton equal 1000 kilograms. Next we want to learn about the unit conversion. For that you must learn about the what is the bigger unit and what is the smallest unit. Yes, when considering these units, yes, if we tell that centimeters and millimeters, normally the smallest unit is the millimeters, then the bigger unit is centimeters. Yes, we want to consider what is the smallest unit and what is the biggest unit. Then unit conversion is very easy. First we tell that small unit to big unit, small unit to big unit, small unit to big unit. You are wondering that you are thinking that it is easy to say that small unit to big unit is the multiplication. We want to do the multiplication. The thing you are thinking is not happening. The opposite one we want to do that. If you are thinking that if you want to multiply to convert small unit to big unit, then you want to do the division. Then small unit to big unit, you want to divide by the relationship between them. Then here when considering big unit to small unit, big unit to small unit, big unit to small unit, you are wondering that you want to divide, not the division, you want to do the multiplication to convert big unit to a small unit, then multiplication. Yes, when considering the examples, right, 5 liters to, you want to convert 5 liters to milliliters, then 5 has to be multiplied by big unit to small unit, big unit to small unit, big unit to small unit, you are getting that it is multiplication. So liters and milliliters, the relationship is 1000. Then you want to multiply this 5 by 1000. That is the easiest method we want to think when considering these types of questions. 5 has to be multiplied by 1000. 5000 milliliters is the answer. Then of course dear students, small unit to big unit, 400 centimeters has to be converted into meters. Then it is easy to do the division. That is the small unit to big unit, small unit to big unit. You want to do the division, or else you can write like this, or you can write as a fraction. Then we can say that 400 divided by 100 mean 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. 4 over 1 mean already the answer is 4. Yes, like that way we want to convert the units, and we want to know about the relationships of units. First of all, we are learning the relationships of length, that is millimeters, centimeters, meters and kilometers. Likewise, you want to learn the units in the ascending order. Then the relationship is 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters, 1 meter equal 100 centimeters, 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. Likewise, you want to learn about the relationships of length. Then when considering the relationship of liquids, it is 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters. When considering the relationships of mass, ස්කන්ධය පිළිබඳ ඉගෙනීමේදී, you want to learn that 1 gram equal 1000 milligrams, then 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams, and 1 metric ton equal 1000 kilograms. Likewise, you want to remind and you want to summarize these relationships of units. After learning about the relationships of units, we want to learn about the applications of relationships of units. Then when considering the first application, we are finding the perimeter. පරිමිතිය පිළිබඳ ඉගෙනීමට අවශ්‍යයි. Then considering the perimeter, it is the sum of all the sides. That means the boundary, or as the total length of a plane figure, we get it as the perimeter. Then here you have a trapezium. Then the two of these lengths are equal and the other two are not equal. Then we want to add all together. Perimeter equal A plus B plus C plus A. That means we want to add this one, this one, this one and this one all together, length around a plane figure, we get it as the perimeter. Then here we can moreover we can solve these algebraic terms like perimeter equal 2A plus B plus C centimeters. The unit is coming normally centimeters, meters or else kilometers. If there are two units, we want to convert it into a same unit to and solve the questions. Next we are learning about the area of normally we are getting the perimeter in plane figures. Then here area we are calculating both in plane figures and also we are getting surface area in solids. Then when considering the area product of two magnitudes of length, then that mean product mean multiplication. Then if the lengths are in centimeters, centimeters into centimeters, centimeters squared, we can get it as the that mean the normal unit of area. That means centimeters squared, meters squared and kilometers squared. According to the question you can get the units. Then here when considering this rectangle, two sides are A and the other two are B. Then we are getting the area of the rectangle as length multiplied by breadth. A into B, A centimeters multiplied by B centimeters, AB centimeter squared. In here the perimeter we are getting centimeters, here we are getting centimeters squared in using the area. Then next of course you want to learn about the volume. Then when considering the volume, පරිමාව පිළිබඳ ඉගෙනීමට අවශ්‍යයි. Product of three magnitudes of length, we simply get it as the volume. That means normally we are getting volume in solids. That means the capacity also can be calculated. Later I'll tell how to calculate those capacity, that mean convert volume into capacity. Then here cross sectional area and length or height, we can calculate the volume of a solid, a normal solid, regular solid, right? Then here L length into breadth into height, by that we can calculate the volume. L centimeters, B centimeters, H centimeters. L, B, H we can multiply and get an answer, and the unit is centimeter cube, that means cube, right? 3 times centimeters as multiplied, then we can get it as like that. Then here centimeters and milliliters, we can get a relationship in liquids, right? 1 cubic centimeter equal 1 milliliter. Then we can multiply both the sides by 1000 centimeter cube equal 1000 milliliter. That means 1000 cubic centimeter equal 1 liter. Likewise, you can get this relationship is mainly we are learning in upper grades, but these things you want to learn from the smaller grades onwards, and it is going to upper grades step by step. So dear students, I think you got a clear understanding about these units, and from another video we'll do some another activities and the example questions. Till then we'll wind up this video. You can subscribe our channel, and by clicking the bell icon you can get the updated notifications throughout our channel. So dear friends, we'll meet from another video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you very much.